Good morning, everyone. Good morning, teacher. Today we are going to explain element number two, which is about writing strategies. Today we are covering five writing strategies, which are outline strategy, brainstorming strategy, mind map strategy, first draft strategy, and also edit and proofreading strategy. So, hope you like our presentation. Well, first of all, we've got outline. Outline is a pre-writing strategy that helps writer to organize ideas and thoughts and plot out a paper. So it means that outlines can help us to organize ideas and thoughts, as I said previously, into a chronological order. It also helps us to generate all ideas more easily. And finally, help us to make ideas or thoughts arrange into one pattern.
So here we have a clear example of an outline of an essay on the topic healthy life. As we can see, this outline has a specific enumeration for each section of the essay. The three parts of the essay, introduction, body, and conclusion, are numbered with Roman numerals, while the two paragraphs presented in the body are numbered with capital letters. So now let's analyze each section of the essay. In the introduction, we present only a thesis statement of what the essay will be about, which is only a short sentence. In the body, we have two paragraphs, A and B. In each of these letters, we indicate the topic sentence of the paragraph. Each paragraph has two general statements or two general ideas, which are the reasons or arguments that the paragraph will have to support the topic sentence and has to be related to the topic sentence. Each general statement has its respective supporting details, which are details and proofs about the general statement. And here we have an example. We have a paragraph whose topic will be habits in your diet. This topic sentence has two general statements which postulate avoid fast food and sugar, and another that says create a healthy diet. Each general statement has its respective supporting details that has to be related to it. For example, about avoid fast food and sugar, we have two supporting details which says fast food can trigger high cholesterol levels, and another one that says high sugar consumption can lead to diabetes. So, in the second paragraph of the body that talks about how to improve our routine, that's the same procedure as we saw in the first paragraph by showing us two ways to do it in its general statements and specific recommendations in its supporting details. Finally, we have a conclusion summarized in a sentence whose purpose is only to exemplify what kind of conclusion is used, for example, paraphrasing, summarizing, opinion, among others.
Then we have brainstorming. Brainstorming is a technique used to generate ideas, thoughts, and concepts before starting the actual writing process. So it involves quickly listing or mapping out as many ideas as possible, as many as you can, without worrying about organization or correctness. And its goal is to explore different angles and possibilities for you topic.
So here we have an example of brainstorming about the topic, the importance of recycling. We have some ideas related to this topic, which are promotes environmental awareness and responsibility, helps conserve natural resources, can generate revenue from recycled materials, decreases pollution in air, water, and soil, saves energy by reusing materials, and create jobs in recycling industries. So as we can see, these are only ideas and not complete sentences because we're only sharing our thoughts first ideas about the topic in order to create a paragraph or essay by joining these ideas or putting them in order.
And we have also mind map. A mind map is a visual tool used to organize ideas when we want to plan a writing. It helps writers to brainstorm, structure their thoughts and see connections between ideas before starting to write. So it can be, it's a non-linear way of organizing content that encourages creativity and helps writers to develop a comprehensive overview of their topics.
So here we have an example of a mind map, in this case about the topic, the Festival of Fruits and Flowers. As we could see in the first example about an online, each paragraph has its respective topic sentence, and from the topic sentence, we have its respective general statements, which are the general reasons to support the topic sentence, and each general statement has its respective to supporting details. So this mind map follows this structure. In this case, the topic is the Festival of Fruits and Flowers, and it has three general statements, which are cultural events, carnivals events, and other events. So, for example, from the first general statement, cultural events, we have two supporting details, which are art exhibitions and sculpture museums. As we can see, we only write short ideas or thoughts about the topic, and from this, we're going to develop and write sentences in order to create a full paragraph.
We have another strategy. This is first draft. That is the first version of a piece of writing that can be changed. Here are some steps that you should consider if you're going to write a chronological or process essay. First, use your previous ideas to start writing your draft. Let's imagine that you have made an outline, brainstorming, or mind map. So take that ideas to start making your draft. 2. Use chronological transitions. Chronological transitions are important words that help us to organize our essay. That chronological transitions could be first, second, finally. 3. Describe the steps, process, or procedure. Yeah, if we apply that, our essay will be more organized. And 4. You can add or delete ideas. Do not worry if you think of new ideas while you are writing. Just think that it is a raft, and in the final work, in the essay, you can add that ideas, but just consider that ideas support your thesis statement. Finally, the last strategy is edit and proofread. Edit means correcting and improving the content of the text. Uh, it is making sure that you have identified all changes you want to make in the text and review your essay for errors in format, mechanism, grammar, and sentence structure. On the other hand, proofread means checking for mistakes in accuracy. That is when you find an error, make a note on your paper using decoration symbols, for example, from P, punctuation, cap, capitalization. Okay, here we have a good example of a draft, and I'm going to edit and proof it. Okay, this draft is about healthy life, and this is the first error because a title must be always at the middle. Okay, another error in the introduction because every paragraph must have an indent. Living a healthy life involves with S several important steps that can improve well-being over time, or it's just over time without S. first you should make, okay, it's make, just make, not with s, because we are talking of you. You should make small changes to your diet, like eat more fruits and vegetables. The best word that fits with that is such as, because we are exemplifying more than two words. Then it helpful, okay, here is missing the to be verb because it is it's. Then it's helpful to exercise daily, even if it's a short walk. Next, make sure to get enough sleep each night. Okay, it's just night because we have just one night, not nights. So it is singular. So your body has time to recover. Lastly, reducing. Okay, a comma is missing here. Reducing stress by practicing mindfulness can also be very beneficial following these steps. Okay, the error here is the apostrophe, because an apostrophe shows possession of something. That's the error. Consistently can make a big difference in your health and happiness. The error here is that happiness goes with I, not with Y.